Hey, so if you want to manage your work more efficiently and save time, yeah, Notion AI can really upgrade your business workflow. It helps you write documents, organize tasks, and stay productive without extra effort. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, create a dedicated workspace or dashboard for your business tasks so everything is organized in one place. You can use Notion AI to write emails, reports, or proposals, yeah, quickly and in a professional way. Another powerful use is summarizing meeting notes. Just paste your notes and let the AI turn them into clear key points. You can also convert ideas into task lists. Uh, so you can manage your workflow more effectively. Use Notion AI to brainstorm ideas for marketing projects or strategies whenever you feel stuck. Make sure to organize your content using headings, sections, and structured layouts. Yeah, to keep everything easy to understand. You can also automate repetitive tasks by asking the AI to rewrite, expand, or simplify your content. And finally, review your work and improve it using AI suggestions to make it more polished and professional. So, yeah, that's how to use Notion AI for business and work tasks. Once you start using it regularly, you'll see a big improvement in your productivity and workflow. Hey,